Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and welcome back to my channel. I am here with a new different sort of video. This is a vlog. It's going to be a day in my life, weekend in my life, sorry. You've just seen a little montage of me doing my morning routine. It is 9 AM on the 8th of May and I am about to do some shipping for this little stack of orders here. I finished the orders on Wednesday, I think, but I wasn't able to ship them because of click and drop being down. But anyway, I'm about to do that. I'm going to take you along for the ride of the weekend. The rough plan is today I'm going to be doing a YouTube day and tomorrow I'm going to be trying to prep for new releases. So that's the plan. But yeah, without any further ado, let's get on with my day. So next up I'm going to pull out stickers for videos. I'm trying to film 4 videos today, which includes this vlog, which obviously I'm filming today and tomorrow. But I also want to film a memory plan with me, next week's plan with me, and my monthly plan with me. To try and get a tiny bit ahead because I've got plans next weekend. But yeah, so I'm just going to pre-plan, pull out stickers, stuff like that into my reusable sticker album. Today is mostly going to be a filming day. So she's running to the post office with those orders. I think he's decided to walk even though it's chucking it down because he's a good egg. So yeah, I'm going to pull out the stickers and then we will be on to filming. There's a few like little jobs that I've started doing. I've also, that's the other thing I've done, I've taken the exclusive foil that's part of the anniversary sale down. Yeah, so pulling out stickers time, that's what I'm, well, to be fair, I think the way I'm going to do this is you'll be listening to this while you're watching me pull out stickers. If you ever want me to go through my process of pre-planning, just shout. Now I've got all the stickers pulled out, I'm going to actually film. I've got 3 videos to film. I'm not going to take much footage of it because obviously the videos are going to be up on my channel as well, so if you want to see those, check them out. So yeah, I get my flat lay ready, hit record, and we go. So yeah, let's do it. Let's actually put my microphone in the right place there. Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and welcome back to my channel. I am here to memory plan the week of the 19th of April in my 7x9 Tilly Journals planner. It's a weekly, monthly vertical. I have the mystery coffee and flowers kit from Plannerface. I think this was January's mystery kit. It's obviously leftovers because I have already used part of the kit in my pre-planning. There's still tons left, particularly with it being a mystery kit and there's this whole extra sheet. So yeah, I also have from Plannerface this washi tape. I do PR for Plannerface, so I get a discount for promoting her stickers, but it does mean you can use Tilly 10 to save as well. Here is the stickers I've got pulled out ready, and yeah, this is the week in my planner. So without any further ado, I'm going to get the base down. So I'm just going to show you the 3 spreads that I filmed. You may or may not have already seen these, or may not be about going to see them on the channel. So I've got about 45 minutes until I'm on a Zoom call with some friends, so I'm going to try and get as much of one of these videos edited as I can. I took a nap halfway through filming, which isn't like me, but to be honest, I've not been very well this week. Although also I'm in a dressing gown because it's absolutely freezing. I'm still dressed underneath, I just put a dressing gown on for warmth because why not. So yeah, I'm going to try and get as much editing done in this period as I can. We will see what happens. So I edit using a program called Filmora. I can't remember how I found it. I think I googled like good editing software. I used to use a different one, but I now use this because I prefer it, in short. I've tried several different programs, and this is just the one that, like, to me makes the most sense. And I am now really comfortable with it, so it's just dead easy. But I don't know, it's just logical to me how it works, and I've set up shortcuts on my mouse because I have a million mouse. I think it's got like 12 or 14 programmable buttons, and I've set them up to like common shortcuts. So I say, and the program is being slow and buggy. Come on. I think it knows I'm trying to be speedy. I'm in a rush and filming it, so like obviously things are just going wrong. So at the beginning of each video clip, I do a little clap to tell me where to start, hitting record. So I record my audio separately. So my microphone, my camera records the audio as well, but I record it separately as also so that I get better quality audio, basically. Because the microphone in my camera is not very good. I could connect the microphone to the camera, but I actually find it easier just to record it on Audacity and add it in. I have like all my standard titles for things set up, so like memory planner, and then I just change the date on the cover little title screen. Works really well for me. I don't actually know which week this was. Some week in April. Let's find a date. I like to do the beginning bits at the beginning because I hate doing it. So, the 5th of April, I think. The 5th of April on Monday. That's the real question here. Yes. Yeah, I'm going to go through and actually focus on, well, to be fair, I'll have sped this up and be using this bit of audio, I hope, as a voiceover to me editing, and I'll add little bits as I go along if there's anything interesting to say. Also, let me know whether you prefer like more instrumental bits in your vlogs, or whether you prefer like me telling you what I'm doing when I'm doing it. I don't really mind. Okay, so I've finished as much editing as I can. I've got to 36 minutes of a 56-minute video. That's all I can do. About to go on the Zoom call with some friends. I probably won't share any of it, because obviously other people, but yeah, I might like point the camera at us at some point to record a little bit, but yeah. So I'm off to do that now, and then we'll probably eat dinner while we're on the Zoom call. I don't know what we're having.
Pizza.
Pizza. There we go.
So just take a moment to get comfortable. Make sure you're sitting upright. There's plenty of fresh air around you.
Morning everyone. Sorry I didn't check back in last night. We did the Zoom call and then we had our dinner, and then I was absolutely exhausted, so we had a bit of an early night. It is the morning now and I've been doing my morning routine. I'm going to enter a montage about here and talk you through what I do in my morning routine. So the first thing that I do when I get up is I make a cup of tea. While my tea's brewing, etc., I do a Duolingo lesson. Well, actually I do 6. I try and do like a whole 5 from one category, which is like a full lesson thing, and then 1 to get some lives back because I will inevitably need some lives. Then I do some reading. I'm not currently going to talk about the book I'm reading because I don't recommend it. It's meant to be anti-diet culture, but it's definitely it's definitely not as anti-diet culture as I want it to be. Let's put it that way. It's anti sort of general diet culture, but it still talks about weight loss, and it's like, no. This is not what I want from you. And then I do a meditation and reply to any Instagram comments, YouTube comments, and any sort of friends or WhatsApp messages that I need to respond to. And then if it's a work day and I start at 8, that's it. If it's, I get washed and dressed. And if it's not, I do a little task. So this morning we're going to be tidying. I'll probably add in some time lapses of us tidying. And that's about it really. That's my morning routine. I think next up on the list for today, I'm going to try and finish the editing that I didn't get done yesterday. I've got like a video and a half to edit and upload, and then I need to start getting a real crack on with new releases for the end of the month. Yeah, so that is the plan. let's get back on with things. So it's been a weird editing session because I actually edited a load while I was on the phone to Granny, so I've already gone through and deleted any extra bits and stuff, so I now need to just sort of watch the video through. So this isn't normally indicative of how I edit, but as I say, I was on the phone to my Granny, so I couldn't really normally edit because I couldn't listen to her and the audio. I've also decided not to get washed and dressed yet because I'm hopefully going for a barbecue at my parents' later, socially distanced of course, but it seems silly to get washed and dressed now and then, I don't know, want to change before I go out, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. Are we having ice cream for lunch? Yes we are. Also going to watch a little bit of Suits while we eat some ice cream. So, editing Tilly here. Sorry, my voice is a bit weird. I've got a bit of I'm losing my voice. But I realised that I didn't really explain what I was doing here. So, in this first bit of the clip, I am designing the background for the Twinkle, which I'll show you afterwards how it came up. That is still live in the shop. No, it goes live in the shop tomorrow. I think that's right. Yeah, it goes up in the shop tomorrow. So if you want to get your hands on it, it will be up tomorrow. So I'm just designing the background. Obviously, as you can tell, it's like a wave pattern in the background. So it should be perfect for any summer spreads, and I'm doing it with a holographic foil. I'm really excited about this one. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. And then I am just going to be designing the scripts as well that are coming out at the end of the month. I'm really excited for these as well. There are a few scripts that have been requested and a few that I want, which is often how my things work. I pull out things that have been requested and also pull out things that I would want to use. But yeah, I'm super excited I've just recently ordered a new iPad and I'm super excited for that, and looking forward to upgrading stuff in the shop to bring into the quality that I'm used to producing at the moment with all of my stickers. So yeah, once I design it in, so I'm using Procreate on the iPad, and maybe in another vlog, if you'd want to see it, I could do this in real time and actually talk you through what I'm doing. But basically what I do is I design it in Procreate, and then I create a clear background and pull it into, at the moment what I'm doing is pulling it into Silhouette to make it into sticker sheets, but I think when I have the new iPad, what I'll probably do is I'll pull it into Photoshop and then into Procreate from Photoshop. That's the current thinking plan. So yeah, we'll see. I'm excited. I just basically hand letter undo a lot. That's kind of how the designing process goes for me. I don't know how other people do it, but yeah, I'm a bit of a perfectionist. But yeah, definitely looking forward to having a proper Apple Pencil rather than the stylus that I'm using in this, which is an off-brand stylus on a iPad that is too old to use the Apple Pencil with. So that will be good. So sorry I haven't updated in a while. I finished all the computer silhouette designing, and now I'm at my parents for a barbecue, hence why we're outside, because socially distancing life. So yeah, I probably won't film any of that because my sister and her husband and baby are living here at the moment. They've been here since January, so yeah, they're basically living here at the moment. So I don't want to share other people's lives. So yeah, I will update you when we're back home. Okay, so we're back from my parents' house, and I am just going through, I've just taken my Instagram photos, and I'm going through sort of preparing everything, naming everything for my virtual assistant to get things sorted really. So I'm just doing some of the behind the scenes stuff that I need to prep for them. And then I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do. Try and get something else crossed off my to-do list, but to be honest, it is like 9:30, so really I'm probably just going to fill in my planner and head to bed in the not too distant future, because I'm up at 6 AM for work, because I apparently don't do anything by halves and like to fill my weekends with way too much stuff. So yeah, so I'm just renaming moving files to the folders VA has access to and renaming them so it's easy for them to do their jobs, and like resetting Trello and stuff like that. I'll also have to record some I'll probably have to record some little voice notes for myself, for them to be able to, what's the word I'm looking for? Be able to do my video descriptions. But yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. Sped up on the screen at the moment, or have pretty much done by the time you're hearing me say this. So yeah, it's much quicker than it used to be, because obviously I used to have to like schedule all this and do all the scheduling myself, but now I have someone to do that for me, which is lovely. And is life complete without a cup of hot chocolate? Let's be real. It makes everything better. Okay, Coke, so I finished doing all that. I am absolutely exhausted. It's only like 10 o'clock, but we're going to go to bed. I finished doing that and I've just quickly checked him out with my planners, which I was going to film, but I literally didn't move out my seat and didn't really do it properly, which I'll do tomorrow. Probably tomorrow morning, because on Mondays I don't do Duolingo properly, but that's fine. Anyway, I'm going to close out the vlog here. I hope you've enjoyed my first vlog. Comment like down below if you did. Give the video a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more vlogs. I'm hoping to make it like a monthly thing, but we'll see whether you guys actually want to see them. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!